time that this was presented, I believe Mr. not Oreste, but Medina, I'm sorry, didn't include air conditioners. The gentleman included air conditioners in the very first presentation. It wasn't included in this one. So there's Freon, there's gases, there's other things, and this is something that is going to be disposed in this recycling center. I just want to remind the commission of that. Thank you.
Okay.
Can I?
Yeah, well, just say, I think I would like to give the public the opportunity to visit on this issue, and then I'll allow any commissioner to.
I'm a little nervous. Okay, my name is Roscoe Snelson, and the governor of the port that used to be Mrs. Dale, at one time when I was 9 years old, she helped me. She went to the community, judges, lawyers, teachers, principals, asked them to give me the chance to represent myself. I could run as fast as a high school student at that time. And later on, I got the certificate from the governor with my signature and his signature on it, awarding me for the best time, which was 9 minutes and 35 seconds and 2 miles. So I'm healthy. I passed through this neighborhood by Victoria one day, door to door, to visit the people there. They didn't look so well. At the end of the day, when I left, I felt like sick. Why? Because of the contaminants. And I was hoping I'd get better, which I did. It was just a little while. That was one day. And the people don't look so good. And they don't look, if something like this happens to us, we will not live as long as we should live. And another thing that's to distract us is the place where they're bringing it. This company might be similar. When I spoke to the people that were there, they were here at the committee when that started. They told them, and they had the paper, that it was just going to be aluminum. As we can see nowadays, it's not true. A lot of the people can see that it's not just aluminum. How did it happen? With the paper that they're going to present to us, they will be able to say, well, look, we can deal with high industrial, as that company did, as Wilkinson's. Wilkinson's has contaminated the people. I've had principals from, before this company lands in our area, principals from Rivera, Vermilion, Perkins. The principal from Perkins has been there at Victoria, Palm Grove, a business intermediate, all these, and Garza, all the schools, the children are there. That's what the children are going to be on this map. Those schools there. The smart idea is to bring in this company into our area is because the trees that are affected aren't here. Many of the pine trees, like pecans, they need alkaline, but a lot of the trees of these materials will slowly affect everybody, and the trees that would be here to show it are not here. It's real smart because there's none of these pine trees that are actually affected. And I went from neighbor to neighbor and also asked them what they think and the way everything will contaminate us. And I showed them that, I expressed to them how the people are sick already and that these things do affect. Some people don't believe and some people do. But slowly, people who get chemotherapy, after a while, they can't get as strong so fast. If I asked them, if right now it takes 4 or 5 days to get one cut cured, later on, it's going to take you a little longer. Why? Because it's like something's next to you. If somebody puts a poison somewhere and removes it after a day, and somebody else passes in that area, they might be able to smell it. If maybe machines won't pick it up, what they're asking for, but people can. And all this will affect many families. And we wish not to go through what they went through. Though they recycling, they're on the steps to the inside of Brownsville. I also spoke to a lot of businesses. All the businesses they felt people that work there and live in the community, some are franchised, some are thinking, well, they have to move. Some industrials say, well, they're lying, and they're allowing this heavy industrial into their area that, well, they would expect the same thing. And this should be like, I don't know who's the governor right now of the port, it should be addressed to their doorsteps. And they should judge it, and they would look at it and say, well, let's see how dangerous it is. Depending on the danger, if it needs 3 mile zone, then they'll send them in further. That's what they're afraid of. I think they should be looked at in the port. And our community now, we have churches, Burger King, McDonald's, pawn shops, a lot of businesses that have started to grow that believe to make Brownsville beautiful. And when I visited the other schools a little further that way, the reason they joined in with us on the belief is because they don't want it to be tabled towards their side. Nobody wants this. Not for us. And I explained to them, I'm not against it. If they go to the port and they make their business there, they'll have the proper stuff to operate it, I'll go work there. And whatever falls around, there's no community. And I'll come back to my family very nicely, happy. I'll do my earnings, and I'll go and come. And it's a job, so that's good. But if it's some type of anger from Mexico, I'm not going against it and looking at it like that, or who or what. But why would anybody do that to our community? Our community. I wouldn't do it to anybody. I would not catch that, not even to enemies. And there's a lot of habitat. If it does get exposed, all the soil, I spoke to the people on the drainage, that they remove soil and they carry to different parts, people that buy it, alongside on these banks, that soil is already contaminated. And then if it leaks into the soil and goes into the water, the birds that are from the sanctuary, they also help me with my petition. The people, the owners there too. Because the birds may not come back, and it may disorient them, may not go back where they're supposed to go. People say, no, but it does. It can disorient you. If chemotherapy is something that we can't see that does something similar, but it's only applied at a certain part of the body, but how does it affect the rest of the body? One thinks.
Thank you.
I don't think we need this.
Okay. Appreciate your comments.
Thank you.
Commissioner.